Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? Students, I hope you all are doing well and you all are understanding the content which we have covered in the recent video lessons. So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video lesson, you have to do three things for me. You have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel so that you will be staying updated, and you have to share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, so let's begin with the video lesson now. So students, in the recent video lesson, we have already understood the chapter well. So today, we will be discussing the question answers which are given in your book. Okay. So for this, you have to refer to page number 55 of your English course book. And we will simply begin from question number 2. Okay. Question number 1 you can do in your book itself. So we will first discuss question number 2. Let's see what does the question say. I did not at that time attach any importance to a peculiar look in the eyes of the old couple. Now question number A. What time is the speaker talking about in the above mentioned lines? So students, firstly, it's very important to understand that the dialogue was spoken by whom. Okay. So let's try to understand this answer. So students, the speaker, that is the narrator, was talking about that time when he was having tea with the old couple, right? And he informed them about the wooden door frames getting misplaced. So he didn't pay any attention on their reaction, that they were giving very strange look to the narrator. Okay. Now students, question number B. Why was a peculiar look present in the old couple's eyes? Okay. Now they are asking why they were giving a strange look to the narrator. So what could be the answer for this question? We can simply say a peculiar look was present in the old couple's eyes because the narrator tried to solve the hidden mystery. Okay. And these couples, they were very superstitious, right? So students, let's see this third question. He has gone out for his morning routine, I suggested, and this time we shall keep him out. So A part says, to whom does the speaker suggest in the above mentioned lines? So students, to whom he was suggesting this? The correct answer would be the friends, right? If you remember, this conversation was between the narrator and his friends, okay, as they were being given the task of locking the door by themselves, okay. Now B part, what does morning routine here mean? So students, as you all know that in the morning routine, the narrator and his friends, they used to go for fishing. So here they were mocking on the ghost, okay, and they were saying that the ghost must be out of home, okay, they must be out of this room because he has gone out for fishing. So the morning routine will be fishing, okay. So C part says, how do they plan to keep him out? Here this him stands for the ghost, okay. So now how does the narrator and his friends try to keep this ghost out? They tried by locking all the windows and door properly, okay. So now it was their responsibility that they will be locking the room properly so that the ghost will not enter in the room again, okay. Now students, let's see question number 4. Why do you think the door had never remained closed since the death of the servant? So here in this question, this is the opinion based question, right? So you have to give your own answer. So I'll request you all to please think of your answers and you'll be writing the answers by yourself in your English Fair register, okay? Now let's see question number 5. We thought we had solved the mystery, unlike the old couple. Why do you think the narrator and his friends were keen on solving the mystery? Students, why do you think that the narrator and his friends, they really wanted to solve this mystery? What was the reason for that? Well, the answer is very clear, that you all know that everybody was thinking this is the haunted house, right? And the narrator wanted to know the mystery behind this room, okay. he wanted to know whether there was actually any ghost inside that room or someone was just doing a sort of prank. Okay, so in order to solve this mystery, he actually tried hard to go and investigate, right? So he examined that room with the help of his friends in order to solve this mystery, and he has also tried to do that. But students, the narrator was quite surprised at the end when he noticed that the door wasn't tempered, but then also it flew in at the touch. Okay, so at last he was quite surprised and he said that no matter what, but I think nobody will be able to solve this mystery. So the mystery remained unsolved towards the end of the story, right? So students, we have almost discussed all the questions, okay? But now you will be having question number 6 and question number 7, okay? So beta, these two questions you people will be trying by yourself, okay? As their opinion based questions, so you have to try it by yourself. But still, if you need my help, you can write in my comment box, okay? I'll help you to frame these answers, but first you have to try it by yourself because your opinion is something what matters the most, okay? So students, I request you all that kindly listen to the video lectures carefully, try to complete all your work related to your notes, related to your question answers, okay? And if you face any queries in that, you're always welcome to leave your queries in my comment box below, okay? So students, that's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you take care of yourselves and you keep on learning. And yes students, before going, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, goodbye. Take care.